Hi everyone. In this demo, I want to show you how this framework supports messaging channels like WhatsApp. We have made a lot of changes and added quite a few new features recently, and this is one of them. One of the bigger changes is around channels, endpoints, and routes. This gives the framework a cleaner way to support messaging services like WhatsApp, email, and Slack. WhatsApp is the example I'm showing here. I'm also working on Microsoft Teams, but that one is still in progress because it works quite differently from the others. So we are in the setup part of this framework. These setup pages are completely custom and were built specifically for this framework. So admins can manage channels, endpoints, routes, and other agent configuration from one place instead of stitching everything together by hand. This setup screen is where we configure the messaging side of the integration. The channel tells the framework what kind of conversation this is. The endpoint holds the provider details, credentials, webhook setup, and the public path that the external service calls. Then the route decides which agent should handle messages coming in through that endpoint. This is the customer support copilot agent. Here you can see the agent definition and the list of capabilities available to it. In this demo, WhatsApp messages are routed to this agent and it uses its support capabilities to respond. Once a WhatsApp message comes in, the framework can connect that interaction to Salesforce records and workflows. For example, here is a case raised for this WhatsApp user. I should mention that creating the Facebook app and doing the full WhatsApp business setup is outside the scope of this demo. What matters here is that we created a public Salesforce site endpoint, so incoming WhatsApp webhook events can reach Salesforce and be processed by the framework. Now let me show the live flow. I will be sending a message asking for the status of an unknown case number. This case number does not exist, so the agent should come back with a safe answer. You can see the response comes back through WhatsApp and the agent correctly says the case was not found. That is exactly what we want. If the case is missing, the agent should simply say it is missing. Now I will send a second message with the correct case number. This time the agent should find the case in Salesforce, pull the details, and reply in the same WhatsApp conversation. And here's the result. The agent finds the correct case and responds with the case details directly in WhatsApp. This is the value of this channel architecture. WhatsApp is just one example here. The same foundation also supports email and Slack, and I will be sharing more videos soon to walk through other parts of the framework. If you want to explore more, this is the GitHub repo, and this is the documentation site where I will be adding more details. Thank you.